Hello children, today I'll make straw swivel in front of you. For that you just need pair of scissors, sellotape, 2 bent straws, one fat, another small. Now first step is bend this end of this fat straw and cover it with the help of sellotape. See, like this. Cover this end with sellotape. And now from any one side make a cut with the help of scissors like this. Now our setup is ready. Now what we have to do is insert the smaller straw into the fat one like this, and now we have to blow from this side. Blow from the smaller straw and see what happens. See, it's moving because of the air pressure, because you were blowing air from this side, and the straw is freely moving. So because of the pressure, it's moving in a circular direction, and because of the slit, there is a difference in the air pressure in different areas. So that was keep on rotating along with the straw. So now you can make the straw swivel today at your home.